Welcome guys to my channel Tech Gadgets Unboxing. So in this video I will show you the unboxing of Brother Printer HL-L2321D. What comes with the printer, show you an output. Please watch this video till the end. So this product I have purchased from Amazon. The product link is in my description box as well as in my comment section. So let's open it up. So the first is toner, second USB cable, and third our main product is Brother Printer. Also in that there is a installation guidebook to help you to how to set up the printer. I'm going to show you here. You can see quick setup guide. Now let's see the USB cable. There are two ends. The first end will be on the printer side and the second end will be on PC. I'm going to unwind this to see how long enough. It is a pretty long enough, as you can see here. Now grab a cutter tool to cut the packaging of the toner. I'm going to cut the package with the cutter tool. So here it guys, you can see the Brother embossing on the toner. It means it is the original toner from the company itself. Now here there is disc. Okay, here is a disc, software installation disc, couple of warranty cards. Register your name, email address with the company itself. Now let's see our printer. First remove the thermocol from both the sides. Grab a cutter tool again to cut the tape and remove the printer from the bag. Make sure you do it very carefully. Do not damage the printer. Once you removed it, here you can see this is our Brother Printer. Okay, now let's see. Now open up the front cover. Remove the drum unit. As you can see, the original drum is also in there. Remove the plastic packaging. Grab a original toner. Remove the plastic packaging cape. Install in drum unit. Keep that aside. Remove all the packaging tape all over the printer. Open up the front cover again to see where is the packaging tape. I have removed all the tapes. Now here we do a quick little inspection whether the tape I have removed, it is completely removed or not. Back covers, duplex tray, double tray. Okay, everything is okay. So I will see here the paper tray also. Everything looks good. So I put it back. Open up the front cover. Put the entire unit in the front cover along with the toner and close the front cover. So this is our unit. The second end of the USB cable will fit here, and first end of the USB cable will go into the PC. Unwind the power cord. Okay, now let's set the paper inside. Normally it sets the A4 size, but here my paper tray is not in the A4, so I will recheck it. Yeah, my paper tray is not set in the A4, so I have to set this A4. I have set my paper tray in A4. I'm going to load the paper in. Power cord connected to my main electric supply, and just click on the power button. All the lights are blinked, and now green button. That means your printer is ready for printing. I'm going to click the button 3 times so it can show my entire detail of the printer printed. You can see the entire printer detail has been printed on my paper. Everything looks good, everything 00 is there, so this is a good news. And now here I am showing the double printing side. Once you connected your USB cable to the PC, your printer's name will be on the system automatically. If it is not, then use the CD to install the software, and then you can use the printer for double printing. So here I am printing this dual, both side, two-sided printing, and you can see it is an absolutely fantastic printing. So thank you guys.